Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all already know what time it is. It's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. And guess what I'm gonna try to do? I'm gonna try to stitch some braids today, baby. She said she wanted her braids stitched, baby. So y'all see I got my utensils for my pinky. And I also bought a comb because I didn't know which one was best. But let me tell you something. We didn't even have an idea of what we wanted to go with. She was just like, "Ma, I just know I want a ponytail and I want my braids to be stitched. I want them to look like they got stitches for real." I said, I don't know if I can do stitch braids. She was like, "You could do it. You could do it." So I was like, "Okay, well, come on, get in my chair then. If you're going to get in the chair, I'll do it." So you know what I do first? I poured that thing on out. So I went ahead and parted her hair into 4 sections, which actually turned into 6. But y'all going to see why I turned it into 6 because I wanted like 2 to dangle in the front. So yeah, y'all see I had to split it down the middle so that you can see where I put the 2 braids, because that's exactly what I wanted them to lay in the front. Okay, I wanted them to be out of her eyesight but a little bit in her eyesight. So yeah, that's what I did. And let me tell y'all something, these stitch braids, they won today. Your girl was not victorious with the stitch braids. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know in the beginning of this video. Y'all see I got my comb and I was really trying. The pinky thing was just too big for my finger and it was like no way to like try to make it fit. So I was like, okay, let me try the comb. Now I will say that I did start to get the hang of it a little bit, but it just was not working for me in my favor. So yeah, no to the stitch braids. But guess what? They neat and they small and they pretty. Y'all see, it looked like I was stitching a little bit, but yeah. We're gonna try it again though. We're gonna try it again, but you know what? The show must go on. The show must go on. I said, "Ma, I don't think they're gonna be stitched, but they're gonna be pretty and neat." So she was like, "Okay, Ma, just do it. Just do it. And give me a little design." So y'all see I got my squigglies on the side. We got the front done. Now we heading to the back. And that's what we got in the back. Yeah, we ain't stitched, but we cute though. Look, I had to turn up a little bit for my video, but this is my least favorite part. I don't know why. I tried to like braid all the way down to the end when I am braiding it, but you know, of course, it was a couple of them that I was just like, But I finished braiding all my ends. I dipped her hair, and y'all about to see me try to twist up this bun because she didn't want like a regular bun. She wanted like one of the knots, really like a real knot. So y'all see me making it into a knot, and I also like dipped the front to make them a little curly. And even though I was not successful with the stitch braids, I must say that I am still satisfied with this hairstyle. And this was definitely like a freestyle because like I said, she just told me she wanted a bun with some stitch. And then when I couldn't stitch, I said, well, I'm gonna throw a little squigglies in there because I know I could do a little squiggly. And bam, this is the final. Check her out. Yeah, okay, Kylie, I see you, girl.